So how do you transfer your contacts from iPad to Android phone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are actually two main methods. The first one is by utilizing the accounts, right? So inside of your settings, when you go to the apps at the bottom and then locate the contacts, you should be able to find the accounts, right? And if you are signed in, for example, with Google account to sync your contacts, if you add those in there, you can just sign into the very same account on your Android device as well. And that way you just sync and synchronize your contacts just through the accounts. However, that might not be that practical. So usually I recommend people to get the exporting apps for contacts. It's literally called Export Contacts. And there are obviously more apps which can get the job done, but this is just what works for me. And with this, you have the ability to export them, right? So basically you can, for example, like pick the format, because some people might want to export it in the vcard format, which is like the official contacts format, right? That might be useful. Or you can export them in a spreadsheet of the Excel or CSV, right? So you get to pick the format, then you perform the export. You might get an ad depending on this app, but this is how this one works. So you wait through it, and then after the export is ready, you get to share it somehow, right? So you can share it, for example, through email or upload it to Google Drive or whatever else you want to do, but you can get it off of your iPad to your Android phone, and it should work out well. So let me know if it's the case for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and to stay tuned, of course, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.